Here at the Virginia Quilt Museum, our mission is to cultivate and preserve the quilting arts in Virginia. So we do that through exhibitions, programs, and caring for our collection. I am Alicia Thomas. I'm the Executive Director of the Virginia Quilt Museum. We spent 29 years in our original home in downtown Harrisonburg, and so we moved about 5 miles out here to Dayton to the Silver Lake Mill. The county's been really supportive, the town of Dayton's been really supportive, and just welcomed us wholeheartedly. So we started collecting quilts in 1992, but didn't have a physical home until 1995. It wasn't a ton of quilts when we moved into our location in downtown Harrisonburg. We had 15 quilts in our collection. We now have 302. So we've grown just a little bit over the 30 years. So those 302 quilts are all primarily made in Virginia. That's how we narrow our focus of collecting. We collect all ages of quilts, and we collect all styles of quilts, so everything from very traditional bed quilts to modern art quilts. We also have this great classroom space that we're in now that has a whole bunch of hands-on activities. So there's a design wall where people can play with different blocks. There are different old quilt fragments out where people can try their hand at fabric dating. And then we also do different programs and events. We love being in Rockingham County and in the town of Dayton. The town has been really welcoming to us. We participate in the local Dayton festivals. So for Dayton Days, we were open for free, and we had about 250 visitors that day. Then also we've just been welcoming our neighbors in to the museum and encouraging them to come visit us. We look forward to seeing you here at the Virginia Quilt Museum in Dayton, Virginia. You can have a delightful time here in the town of Dayton and have a wonderful day here in Rockingham County.